Received an unfair negative review and want to know if it can be removed? In this video, I'll explain Fiverr's policy on review removal and what you can realistically do. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. It's frustrating to get a bad review, but it's important to know that Fiverr has strict rules about when a review can be removed. Fiverr will only remove a review if it violates their terms of service. This includes reviews that contain hate speech, are sexually explicit, promote illegal activity, or contain private personal information. A review that simply states the buyer was unhappy with your service, even if you think it's unfair, will generally not be removed by Fiverr. If you believe a review meets the criteria for removal, you can contact Fiverr customer support and politely explain which specific policy the review violates. A crucial pro tip: the best defense is a good offense. The most effective way to remove a negative review's impact is to drown it out with a large number of positive reviews. Focus on providing such excellent service to future buyers that one negative review becomes an insignificant outlier. And just like that, you understand the realistic path forward after a negative review. Knowing the removal policy helps you focus your energy where it counts. Have you ever successfully had a review removed by Fiverr support? Share your experience below. To build a strong defense, subscribe for our next video on how to maintain a high rating on Fiverr. Thanks for watching.